Hello my bronies, Pegasus and Gotcha here. Welcome back to Hello Fusion Tober. And this today is, yes, I picked it, Rattlesnake Jake and Billy the Puppet. So I had to search up some creepy doll characters, but this is the results. I get Billy the Puppet and Rattlesnake Jake. So Billy the Puppet is from the Saw franchise, and Jake is from Rango. I actually watched that before it expired, so there's no hope for you now. You can go buy it on YouTube and all that stuff. So I'm gonna draw a sketch. So I had to draw the snake tail instead of the legs, and I had to draw Billy's hair. Kinda looks like a Medusa, a reverse Medusa. I didn't like how the nose turned out, so I just had to make it so small. And then I redid it. And then the first time I sketched the mouth, it kinda looked like an axolotl, so I had to remove it and give it a more sinister smile. And don't forget the snake tongue and his little suit. I rotated the left eyebrow a little bit so it doesn't feel the same. And I traced Jake's hat to make it feel interesting. And now we draw the actual real deal. So honestly, this wasn't that bad, because mirror mode is what I was hoping for. I even used the arms, but I didn't change them. I just kept them the same. The tongue looks really sexy. Don't forget the little bands that he has on his skin and tail. I tried to make it not ugly by adding the little snake nostrils, and I also added a little nose ring as a good detail, because all things need really good details, am I right? Or am I not? While drawing the skin, I didn't realize that Billy wears gloves. But it's alright, a realization is not a realization. Wait, that doesn't make sense. Anyways, his skin looks great, honestly. That's my opinion. But I didn't see the gloves on Billy. I also added the little makeup on him, especially the lipstick and the hypnotizing cheeks he has, and the suit. Honestly, I combined all the different colors that Billy has with Rattlesnake's colors, because he has different shades of brown and yellow and beige all together. So I got this. Also, not to mention that this is also a full body picture. And the hair actually turned out pretty good. Kinda looks like a dog, but that doesn't mean it's not perfect enough. When I colored the bow tie, I realized that it looks like Alistair Mikado's color scheme, honestly. So it's another callback to my first Hello Fusion Tober speed paint. And the tail honestly looks so good. Also kind of reminds me of Alistair Mikado. And lastly, for the eyes. The eyes were struggling. I kind of liked how they turned out, but it was a struggling pressure to make. Anyways, I edited them out, and this is the results. Honestly, looks terrifying. Also, this gore warning, I also added blood on him to add the bloody touch.
I could never understand first impressions go unplanned. Everybody hides their face. How could I have noticed? Nonetheless, we all the same. There's many things from where we came. Show us while we're at the board. Nothing lines up anymore. Turn around in the bottom of the ring. Go back the fear of what you make. Burn my tears so in one never mind. The water reminding waves. Dispose of all conventional view. Our best to avoid the visual just to tap the things you know will make me so. Wait, what is going on here? I'm a little lost, sort of safe, contemplating. Philosophies and things that scare me. Why must I go let go? I've been feeling love for the rhyme and nothing changed. So take a good look, this is me. This is what I've come to be. This is what I've come to be. Love like a sweet but not the apathy that's tied in us. Hearing now.
Alright, I'm finished. Here's the full picture. Honestly, I kind of like it. 9 out of 10. And just like my previous one, I forgot to rate the previous one I uploaded yesterday. So I rated it a 8 out of 10.